Hello everyone, the objective of this video is to learn how do we communicate through our use of time. According to Hybels and Weaver, the study of time is called chronemics. Time is a precious resource. It's a valuable and tangible commodity. We spend it, save it, fill it, and most people, can find a good way to waste time. The way we schedule events reflects the urgent way we deal with time. You can use time for psychological effect. If a student shows up late to class, what is that? What message is that sending to the instructor? It's probably going to tell that instructor that, hey, I don't think this class is very important. I don't really care about this class. What you say doesn't really matter to me. Another aspect is showing up too early. If you are going out on a date with a girl and you show up 45 minutes early to the restaurant, it kind of looks like you're hurting for a date. You're too eager. Same with, I think, an appointment. Showing up to a customer, and if you have an appointment at 2 o'clock and you show up at 1:30, that may put the customer off too, that you're way too early and they're not ready for you. And waiting for the right moment is another one. I think for me that kind of means, I remember when I was a kid and I got in trouble one time at school. I waited till after the weekend. It happened on a Friday. I waited till Monday to tell them what happened because I didn't want to be grounded for that weekend. So, and it also works in personal and business, just kind of waiting for the right moment to tell somebody something. And time also differs greatly from one culture to another. What is considered late? If you, here in America, if you guys have a party, being 30 minutes late isn't a big deal. But in Venezuela, if a party starts at 8 and you show up at 8:30, you're going to be the only person at that party. Typically, a party will start 2 hours later than what the time that they put on there. So I hope you as an audience can kind of see the different ways of how you use your time and what can be beneficial or what can actually hurt you. Thank you.